What had stood out to me the most during this course were the teaching styles that I learned from watching the observational videos. A lot of the classrooms were very similar in the way that they taught. However, there were other teachers that taught it in a very fun and almost unique way. Something that I noticed that a lot of teachers were doing was writing up on the board what they were going to be doing for that class day. They were writing up a goal and learning objective for the students. Lots of teachers were using this as a structure for their classroom to keep everything organized. There were also teachers that had to go through a few situations to get back on track and get their class together. What I mean by that is how the teachers were keeping their classroom under control. I really liked how they dealt with the situation and were able to get the class back on track. There was one teacher that was able to learn from her mistakes and what she was doing wrong when it came to getting the students to be engaged. So in the next class that she had, she was able to keep them engaged as well as on topic. Through these videos, I was able to learn how a classroom should function.